Hey Radha guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's routine video without having the further delay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what's actually happened in my today's routine. That is the day 11th August 2024 of the day 248. Before going to the start the today's routine video, I just only wanted to inform you that what will be happen day after tomorrow. Basically the thing will be happen something different. What kind of something different will be happen? The thing that we will complete our another goal, that is day 250 of the continuous shooting of our video day, from day 1 to day 250. If I calculate in case of month, then it will be goes on, uh, okay, 250 divided by, if I take an average month period, 30 days, okay, so it will be 8.33 months. Okay, so we will complete 8.33 months of continuously shooting the video. In case of we take 1 month is equal to 30 days. Yeah, so basically we will complete 250 days after a some time. Day after tomorrow we will complete 250 days of continuously shooting the video from day 1 to day 50 without skipping the any day. Okay, so yeah, it will be happen. Let's don't talk about this such kind of thing now. So let's talk about today's stream video. So basically guys, today I woke up at very late. I don't know why I woke up at very late. Yeah, the case can also, I said that last night I went for this sleep very late. Maybe this would be the reason that I woke up at very late today. So basically today I woke up at around a bit in the morning 9 to 10 a.m. between. Okay, so basically I woke up, and after that basically I brought my clothes. Okay, so the clothes which will I wear after taking the bath. Okay, so first I brought my clothes. As you can see, this is kind of clothes I have taken, and after that I went to the ground floor, and my mother cooked paratha for me. So basically I don't know what we call paratha in English, and basically we should use paratha because it is an Indian language term here. Okay, so yeah, so basically in the paratha we can also say, I listened somewhere, that is tawa paratha. My mother cooked tawa paratha. Okay, where we have to put oil to the upper and the bottom part of the chapati. Chapati means roti. Okay, so yeah guys, I'm sorry I'm using Hindi word roti, but yeah, in Indian terms we call roti. Okay, yeah, in case of chapati we can also say, but roti seems like the good term. And one thing, guys, today I'm going to announce that the thing which we call usually like paratha, roti, we should I think that I will speak the normal language. We call roti in roti, we call paratha is paratha. And from the last too many videos, from the first of the day, I used to speak roti, that is chapati, but then that not make me feel good. When I say roti, then it seems like something happened. But if I speak a part of this, I also know the what we call in English. If I know we call roti in English chapati, then I can speak roti in roti. Okay, so but I need to translate. But paratha is an Indian term, so if I don't know what we call in English, so I can speak. Okay, I know that maybe I'm something doing different, but yeah, but I will try to find what we call in English, that is paratha, but I will speak the Indian some keywords, words, any can you imagine, but I can say the that word. So my mother cooked paratha for me. Okay, after that there is nothing happened. Basically, I washed my mouth, and after that I had taken the bath, and after that I wore the clothes, and after that I worshipped, and after that basically I ate food while watching the TV. So basically this is the thing which was actually happened. Okay, so yeah, basically after that there is nothing was happened. Okay, so uh, after that I was at ground floor, and after this some time I went to the first floor. I not studied too much today also. I don't know why I'm doing this such kind of activities. Basically this is the thing which was actually happened, and after that I went to the ground floor for eating the food, and after that I didn't done too much thing. After that I came first floor again, I went to the ground floor, and after that I ate food, and I also spent my time with my mother, and after that I came mother and basically also sister. After that I came first floor, and I didn't done too much thing. I tried to make something, and after that I went to the ground floor and first floor ground floor. That's all the kinds which was actually happened today. So basically this is a thing which was actually happened, and at the end I ate food in ground floor, and after that I came to the first floor and I started shooting the video. So basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened today. I hope you really understand till yet. If you really understand till yet, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a continuously manner. So basically this is a thing which was actually happened, but you already know that my average video period length minimum 10 minutes, but we have completed only 6 minutes or 13 seconds. So I need to talk with you till 10 minutes. So let's complete today's daily vocabulary learning from 5 words. Today we will also gonna to learn five vocabulary. I will do something for vocabulary. Basically we have learned too many vocabulary, so I need to revise at a perfect timing. So otherwise maybe I will forget all the things maybe. So our first word is right. Yeah guys, basically I have done some mistake here. Okay, so let me check it. I already told you previous that I have done the mistake, but I didn't done it. So basically guys, let me tell you, I will correct it very soon. So first word is gratitude. Gratitude means guys, wait guys. So yeah guys, gratitude means आभार. आपका आभार हो, yours gratitude. Maybe I have some confusion regarding this example. Okay, self control. Self control means guys, संयम. तुम्हारे अंदर संयम नहीं है. You don't have self control. तुम्हारे अंदर संयम बहुत ज़्यादा है. You have too much self control. Contentment. Contentment means guys संतोष. शायद अब तुम्हें संतोष हो गया है. I think that now you are contented. फोर्थ वर्ड इज हेल्थ. हेल्थ मीन्स गाइस स्वास्थ्य. अब तुम्हारा स्वास्थ्य कैसा है? हाउ इज योर हेल्थ नाउ? लास्ट वर्ड इज स्लीप. स्लीप मीन्स गाइस नींद. क्या तुम्हें नींद आ गया? आर यू गेटिंग स्लीप? Yeah. So basically guys, this is a thing which was actually happened, and I hope you'll understand till yet. If you really understand till yet, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a continuous manner. Okay guys, and one thing I wanted to request you, that if I have done any kind of mistakes while speaking, like any grammatical mistake, so you can kindly please tell me in the comment section, so that I can really improve it very soon. Okay, so I will improve it very soon, and I will really appreciate you that you are trying to help me. Okay guys, I think it is enough for today, but you already know that maybe you know that my average videos period length. I don't know exactly about it. If you are new on my YouTube channel, as I already told you in this video, that my average videos period length minimum 10 minutes. But yeah, so but we need to talk till 10 minutes, but we have completed only 9 minutes. So basically guys, yeah, I don't know what should I talk right now. Okay, so basically from, yeah, that's all the thing which was actually happened. So guys, there is too many kinds of sentence where something is silent, like in hour. That means in Hindi, I'm just telling what is the vocabulary here. Hour means घंटा. Okay, एक घंटा, दो घंटा. Sorry guys, I'm speaking in Hindi, but I'm just taking an example. So here is H is silent. We call R. In psychology, P is silent. It is psychology is starts from P. Okay guys. So I think guys, it's enough for today. So let's end the video guys. Basically I think we have talked enough, so let's end the video guys. See you, bye bye.